girl, you know how we dey do it now. Follow me and shout. You don't say we can dance for you. I need to dance for you because I love you. And right here, now new Banana Highland, we dey like this. And as you dey see like this, this particular place now GRA phase 2. That is to tell you that GRA phase 1 don't finish. It's sold out, so we don't sell and finish. So for you to get a plot for this GRA phase 2, you need to quickly call Madam Peku Africa on 09034296519 to get your own plot. Because if you not call me quick, this phase 2 go finish, except you won't wait for GRA phase 3 or phase 4. So make you follow enter this phase 2. You understand me? So you see all this fuel wahala, the pressure wey dey for this administration make them make sure say Port-Harcourt refinery they work. Whether not because of that news, people just they rush this place because this place is directly linked to refinery. Hey, the access route way for this place plenty. Do you know that we also have Wike Road here? We get so many, make I not talk everything. You get waiting, they make everybody they run to come collect plots here. Make you quickly call me, come collect your plots now. If I don't like you, I not go tell you from my goodness to you. And they bring this good news. Quickly call me on 09034296519. Come collect your own plot. So make I tell you something. Now immediate allocation. Immediately allocation. Hey, that English, I didn't speak. Direct allocation. If you just pay your money, they go carry you, come show you your beacon. See your plot. You they see this beacon here. They say, now your beacon be this, so now your plot be this. Then go show you the next person. You go know your neighbor. You understand me? If na engineer Obina be my neighbor, I say, neighbor. You don't know your neighbor, now don't collect contact. Anything when I want build, now go build them. If na business more, if na school, if na house, anything, you build them and then you go happy. Here no get mago, quickly call me, and the number again is 09034296519.
Madam Peku herself, baby. I'm with Madam Peku.
Nah, so.
Madam Peku no dey disappoint.
Nah,
she no
so.
be Amaka.
Nah, so.
Madam Peku herself.
Thank you so much. I dey wait for you. Before I forget, some people go dey ask say, this place where this woman they shout every day, where is it located? It is located in Port-Harcourt, River State, just off Odili Road. The bridge where they construct, immediately that bridge finish, 3 minutes you there for here from Odili Road. So quickly call me, and the number again is 09034296519.